Alright guys, welcome to lesson 4. On the top of your page, write Texas History 7, 10.4 for lesson 4 of unit 10. Today in this lesson we'll be talking about Texas music and music in Texas, different types of genres and artists and things of that nature. So we'll get right into that right now. And of course, for the yellow highlighted, those are the answers to the questions I will be asking as we follow along. So go through it and make sure that you answer these questions. Okay, music in Texas. There's so much that could be said about other aspects in the arts of Texas. Visual arts such as painting and sculpture, performing arts such as music and dance. But there's simply not enough space in this course to cover it all. So, if you are interested, there are numerous books and internet articles on the subject. We will, however, give you a whirlwind tour of popular music in Texas. Music has been a part of Texas since before it was Texas. And the cultural diversity of the Lone Star State has produced music that is as diverse as Texas itself. If you live in the metropolitan area, it's scanned through all the stations on your radio, you'll hear about every kind of music imaginable. Tejano, classic rock, hard rock, alternative, rhythm and blues, hip hop, rap, country, bluegrass, contemporary Christian, gospel, and classical music. A lot of these different genres of music make up Texas and its diversity. So starting with Tejano music, Mexico folk songs and corridos about folk heroes have been sung and played and danced to ever since settlers first came to Texas. Mariachi sang and played love songs. As European settlers, especially Germans and Czechs, moved into Texas, their traditional music blended with the Mexican music to produce a unique Texas mix known as Tejano music. Alice, Texas is known as the birthplace of Tejano music because in 1946, Armando Marroquin and Paco Benacourt formed Ideal Records that began producing recordings of Tejano music. Some of the earlier recordings were of Carmen Eloria and the different types of artists associated. As with every form of music, Tejano music has been fused with other musical forms and spread all over Texas. The American Southwest and even south of the border, some popular Tejano groups of today include La Mafia, J. Perez, and Maz. Selena, who came to be known as the Queen of Tejano music, began recording in 1985, when she was only 12 years old. However, her career was cut short in 1995 when she was murdered, as I'm sure a lot of you are aware of. She is from Corpus Christi, Texas. Country music today refers to many styles of music, from hillbilly to bluegrass to cowboy and country western. Country music in Texas has its roots in ragtime music composed and performed by artists such as Scott Joplin, an African American composer and pianist from Texarkana. His Maple Leaf Rag was published in 1899. Ragtime music was made of use of rag melodies mixed with some complex African rhythms. In 1957, a singer from Lubbock began singing a fusion of country and rock. His name was Charles Hardin Holly, but he was known as Buddy Holly. Almost immediately, Buddy Holly and the Crickets rocketed on the top of the music charts. However, he was killed in a plane crash in 1959. The music of Buddy Holly greatly influenced both country music and then early rock and roll movement. Since Buddy Holly, there have been many other Texas stars of country music. Mac Davis also came from Lubbock. Kenny Rogers was born in Houston, and George Strait was born in Putet. Waylon Jennings came from Littlefield, and Willie Nelson was born in Abbott. Texas blues music. The blues is a form that arose from the spirituals and work songs of African Americans in the 1800s. Blues music is usually about sadness, despair, and unhappy times. In the 1920s, a numerous of blues musicians got their start in Dallas. Blind Lemmy Jefferson, Robert Johnson, Huddie Ledbetter, and Bessie Smith all performed in the clubs of the Deep Ellum section of Dallas. In the 1970s, two groups blended blues with rock to gain nationwide success. Stevie Ray Van Gogh and his brother Jimmy both are from Dallas and from the group the Fabulous Thunderbirds and played to crowds of all across Americas in the U.S. In 1990, Stevie Ray was killed in a helicopter crash. Rock and roll music, or rock music. One of the first rock musicians in the world was already mentioned, Buddy Holly. Not only gave her rise in the new form of country music, he was credited with being one of the musicians that helped establish rock music in the 1950s. Another early rocker was Ray Oberens, who was born in Vernon, Texas, on the Red River. Janis Joplin was born in 1943 in Port Arthur and grew up in Port Arthur, Vermont area. He started out as a blues singer, but in 1966 he joined a rock group called the Big Brother and Holding Company, which became a national sensation. The group broke up in 1969 and Joplin formed her own group, the Full Tilt Boogie Band, which toured in a few months before her death by drug overdose. The list of rockers from Texas is about a mile long. Below is a partial list of the recent bands, but some of these bands you probably never heard of because they've come and gone. So we'll take a look at some of these bands from Texas. Probably some of the more familiar ones. One from Doom Metal, which are from San Antonio. And of course Pantera, which is more of metal, from Arlington. And then it talks about Janis Joplin and her death of drug overdose. And of course the influence of many from Texas, like La Mafia, who is a 4-time Grammy-winning Tejano group. Alright guys, and that is Texas music, so thank you for tuning in.